So now I'm going to go over the phonics for Friday and PL 111, un and re. So the spiral review is write a possessive phrase for each sentence. So a quick review, they should know how to do possessive phrases. So first, they figure out what the subject is. Who or what is the sentence about? So the sentence is, my aunt has a red coat. So who or what is the sentence about? Well, it's about my aunt. And what does this person own? A red coat or a red coat, doesn't matter. So then to write a possessive phrase, remember it's a phrase, not a sentence. So they write the subject, my aunt. And what do you do to show they own something? Apostrophe S, and then what they own. My aunt's red coat. Okay, and so that's what they would write on the line. The next one is, my uncle has 2 cats. Who or what is the sentence about? What does the subject have? The fish has orange scales. In the next part, use the words in the word bank to sort them under the correct heading. So on this side is contractions, on this side is possessive. So which words have 2 words squished together to make one word with an apostrophe to replace some of those letters, and which is one word that's showing that it owns something and it helps to put it in a sentence. So your. So first think, are there 2 words inside of your? If there is, well, guess what? It's a contraction. If it's owns something, it goes under possessive. Wheel. We'll go to the store. Oh, I forgot to do a sentence for your. You're doing a great job. His. He finished his work. It's a good idea to do your best. Another it's, but look, this one does not have an apostrophe. The dog scratched its fur. And your. Would you put your backpack away? Okay, so if it's 2 words, contractions, possessive. On the back. So the lesson is un and re. Oops, kind of got erased a little bit, but that's okay. So un and re, and I forgot the hyphens. So we've talked in the past about root words. So think about that tree. In order for a tree to survive, it has to have roots. So it starts off with a root. So root words is the word before you add anything else to it, okay? And then we talked about the suffix is something that you add to the end of a root word. And then we've also talked about prefixes. So think about a preview. When you go to a movie, you see previews. That's usually before the movie. So this goes before the word. So these are prefixes, so they go in front of the word. Now, when you see a prefix that's un, it's going to mean not. When you see a prefix that's re, it's going to mean again. So when we have a word like unpacked, that un is going to be not, so it's going to be not in the root word packed. For re, again, it's going to mean again. So it's going to be, now it would be weird if we said again done, and so we flip it. It's kind of weird, I know. But we say the root word, done, and re, again, done again. So the main thing is remembering that un is not and re is again. That's the main thing that we need to remember. It's erasing. Oh, well. All right, so check again. So what is again? What's that preview for again? It's re, and then the root word, check. Okay, not grateful. So what is the prefix for not? It's un, and then the root word, grateful. Okay, so like I said in the past, I do like to read the worksheets for some kids that struggle with reading, and so I do like to read this for them. So it says un means not, re means again. So the directions say write the correct un or re word. So number 1, not buttoned. So you think which prefix means not, and then you write the root word. So then you should have written unbuttoned. Make sure it's one word. So I'm going to read each one 2 times, and if you need to pause the video so you can write it, you certainly can. So number 2, to read again. And sometimes when it has something like to read again, don't even worry about writing the word to. Just think of read again. Number 2 is to read again. Number 3, not plugged. Not plugged. Number 4, not known. Not known. Number 5, heat again. Heat again. Number 6, check again. Check again. Number 7, not finished. Not finished. Number 8, turn again. Turn again. Number 9, not pack. Not pack. And number 10, not grateful. Not grateful.